Yes, sir. Do you have any points to ask me?
Yes, I have got some points, all general points.
Okay, sir. You can ask, sir.
Okay, what is the elemental importance? Why is it used in blogging? Elemental.
Yeah, Elementary is a first of all one WordPress plugin. So like we add in
Oh,
shutter, rank math, whatever like that. It's a WordPress. Elementary is a WordPress plugin which is
oh,
used to build a landing pages or beautiful pages. The main
okay.
advantage of the Elementary is that we can build websites without any coding knowledge. Okay, sir.
Okay,
We
acha.
can build the
Okay,
websites in the means amazing websites. We can build the amazing websites using the Elementor without any coding knowledge.
okay, okay, sir. Okay, thank you, thank you. You have cleared about elemental for the beginners like me. Thank you. Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Sir, one more. Sir, in some blogs, there are no comment boxes to comment. I wanted to comment in some blogs. I searched for the comment box in the town. I have not found the comment box, sir. What is the problem? Whether it is problem of me or problem of
The
theirs?
coming to the in the WordPress, there is a lot of a spam. Users can submit the spam comments to the blog post. Okay, we can reduce the spam comment
Okay.
by using the one plugin, Akismet. Skipping out these spam comments, some bloggers, some users
Hmm.
will use blog comments for like only for 1 week or only for 10 days. After publishing the blog post, the users, the readers can able to post the comments only for 1 week or only for 1 month. They will put the those settings in the, I think in the reading section. There is a different section called reading section. In that you can put a setting like users can only comment after before the publishing of the 7 days or 30 days, like that they can put the period. After 7 days automatically the comment section will be disappear. Yeah, I think you already experienced it also. You are running a WordPress blog. I think you are getting some spam comments.
Yes. 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 Sir. Yes. Right, sir. Sir, can you increase the size of H2, H3, H4, H5 and give color to it in Blagger?
Yes, sir. We can.
Blagger application.
I think GeneratePress pre version not available to put those things. So I'm also using the GeneratePress pre version. So it may be in the premium version. Still, if you don't have, we can change the sizes of headings, colors of the heading tags, font style of the heading tags using the custom CSS.
Sir, one more question related to Facebook, sir. Can I ask a Facebook related
Yeah,
question? One
yeah, you
question.
can ask.
What is the difference between share to profile and share to timeline?
Both
It's
are same,
difference or same
sir.
and one is same?
Both are same. Timeline is same.
Both are same.
Profile is same.
Hmm.
Sharing to the profile and
Acha,
sharing to
acha.
the timeline is same. We have mainly
Uh,
sharing to the profile is one thing. Sharing is timeline is same. Sharing is friends timeline is different. We can also share our blog post to the friends timeline. If they accept the others post, we can share to friends timelines. We can share our post to in a group. We can share our post to a page.
okay, if we share that positive content to friends timeline, can the friends of his you can see? Can his friends see that
Yeah, yeah.
posting?
If you share the post to your friends timeline, then your friends also can able to observe that post. But here thing is, some persons put the time
Hmm.
posting on timeline in the off mode or in the review mode. So they have to
Okay.
manually approve your post to display on the timeline.
Program percentage. Sir, one more question regarding Zoom. I think while conducting Zoom program,
Okay.
can we conduct a survey at the same time and can we exhibit and show the results of the survey on the Zoom live?
So that's thing I didn't
No.
experience it not yet. So okay, I will try that.
Sir, this program, it is better to post in post like a YouTube video, and we can share this to Telugu bloggers groups like that. These are helpful to the beginners blogs. If you prepare this as a YouTube video, can you prepare it? This
Yeah,
one.
yeah. I will prepare this as a YouTube video. Few days back, we discussed on Zoom. So I uploaded those videos on the Up Telugu.
Yes.
Sorry, Telugu Marketer. So around
sir.
I uploaded around 4 or 5 videos. I uploaded on the Telugu Marketer.
Yes, sir. I have seen, sir. That video should be around 7 to 8 minutes length.
Yeah.
And it should not be very low, and it should not be more than.
Yeah.
Somewhat like below 8, like that. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So one more question on Instagram. I want to ask on Instagram.
Okay, sir.
Can't we share our video or content to Instagram members with one click? What is the best available method in Instagram to share our YouTube video or content with a little time?
Here thing is the on Instagram you can post the link in the bio. Okay, sir. We can only post the link in the bio. Right now we have very less followers. Then the option is you have to put your YouTube or blog whatever the link in the bio, and you have to say the users in your post on the feed, like just go to my bio and check the link for more information or for more valuable things. So you have to share like that.
Sir, in Google Analytics, there is an option acquisition.
Yeah, acquisition.
Acquisition. Finding keywords, what keywords visitors are using to search the article. How we can make use of that acquisition?
In the Google Analytics, acquisition is the from which sources you are getting the traffic. Okay, sir. From which sources, like from Facebook, from Twitter, from LinkedIn, or from Google search, or from Bing search, or from particular ads. So those are the sources. From which sources you are getting the visitors to your blog. That's the data available in the acquisition tab. Okay, sir. To get the keyword, for which keywords your articles are ranking, for which keywords your articles are ranking, for observe those data, Google Search Console is the better option.
Mana blog article, while you have posted in English some para, some people who do not know English, they have to translate it then and there. They can see in Telugu. Is it possible?
Yes, sir. We have to include some buttons like translate into Telugu or translate into Hindi, like that. We have to include some plugins, some buttons. So if you put some button, and that button action is if the user clicks translate to Telugu, so then whatever the article available in the English, that will be translated into Telugu. We can put, sir.
So button technology we have to use.
Yeah. We have to use some coding.
Button technology. Sir, one more question. Recently, I have seen one person speaking, and by his side there is some text.
Okay.
That means in a rectangular. How is it possible, sir?
Yeah, that's we can do it in the video editing. While editing, is it live video or is it a free recorded video? Free recorded. Okay, we can do that thing using the video editing. While editing, first you will record the video with your face like that. So while editing the video, you can add those tests in the video editing software.
I am able to get YouTube video organic views to some extent, but I am unable to get.
Yeah. Your question is you are getting the organic views on YouTube, but not getting on the blog.
Yes.
Here coming to the on YouTube, the competition is the less. Okay, competition is less, and coming to the Google, whenever using the blog, here is the competition is heavy, and also you have to do some on-page SEO for your blog post. First of all, you have to do some on-page SEO, like title optimization, meta description, keyword. You have to properly include the keyword. You have to use the LSA keywords. You have to use the long tail keywords, and you have to do the internal linking. Once you do the once you do the on page, then you have to go for the off page SEO. You have to build some links for that article. So once you do these things, your article will become rank in the Google, and you will get the organic traffic.
Is there posting into forum, posting into somewhere? Will they help, sir? I don't think they are not helping us. Posting into forum directories and also.
Yeah, posting into directories, posting in the forums will also help you. Like it builds some authority to your blog, and you will get some links. If you get some do follow links, you will get some no follow links, and you will also get some referral traffic.
Next one, last question, sir. Is it your Zoom is free version now? Is it?
Yeah, I am using the free version. Okay, sir.
Sir, it is recording option is available for me. How you given in settings? Is it given in settings recording option? Recording option now.
Yeah, it is recording on my computer. It is recording.
Even more, it is recording, sir. It is there. But in mobile also, when you start in mobile also, we can use recording option. Is it not, sir?
I think
recording in mobile is also possible.
I didn't test it from the mobile. So while I'm conducting the meetings, I'm using the system. That's the more comfortable.
Yes. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Anything, sir? Anything else about you? About what you call promotion of your business? You can share your promotion of business once again to the students.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Welcome, sir.